Wagwan! So for today's video, we have Foota Hype. We went live right after Tony Matterhorn because Tony Matterhorn did a live stating that Noah is an all-around selector and Foota Hype is considered more of an MC. Tony Matterhorn even joined Foota Hype live, so on to the video.
Here we go now. Me have a serious discussion. Like, me did plan for go live about something else. But when me see that little video something there, we do a matter and say, me have to come live over here, so me have to pay attention to that first. Because this is serious. Zine, as a matter of fact, let me take off my glasses. Come on to see so everything me I go speak now is genuine. I want to can read me eye. Zine? My bridging jigger would have said, look at my eye, look at my eye, look at my eye. So here I go now. I want to know, go and buy badges. Cause here I have a problem. You see them vlogger here? I go find something for them you know. Cause here they not no respect. And me want to notice. Everybody are worried about who at a selector, who are this and that. When you notice that anytime I go live, when you check YouTube, all an hour, 2 hours after, Foota Hype plaster all over YouTube, everywhere over YouTube. And when you go up on the people them page, Zine, when them try, big up the genocide people them over here, man. We are going to split justice today and speak the truth. When you go over YouTube now, and you go up on the YouTuber page, I just put a Foota live them a play. Them just a replay, them just put a little something, do a little graphic work, and I me them a play. No, not one of them blogger here. Blogger or vlogger. Even look and say, Foota, here I go on, how you sell go? I'm buy you a drink, cause you been a pay my bills them right through the year. And me a pay them bills. Me not get up and give them money in them hand, but them a use me content. And me are the most reposted person in a dancehall. And me are the most reposted person in a dancehall. Nobody no name where you call care. So them more reposted than me. So all them are run down the acne something here. And me are the hottest thing, if I never me are the hottest thing, me cannot be reposted so much time. Everything me talk turn news. Every single thing me talk turn news. And today, I'm going to speak again and it's going to be more news. I remember me nah do nothing shaky. Me nah act like girl. Me nah do no funny skit. Me nah do none of that. But yet still I'm me I run viral. Nobody can talk to me. Them blogger ya, nah no respect dog. And them I use my content and then them nah give me no respect. Not one vlogger nor blogger. No reach out and say, Foota John no. Me I collect them check here a month time, you know. And you me post the most, you know. Have a drink. Not even out of respect. Cause sometimes I say, yo, make a low it. Just low it. And then the next time me I say, but them not respect me. Them I use me to make money, but still not respect me. How can that be? Anyway. Remember, me is not a bad man you. Me not get up and just strike people channel and them thing there, but them not rate me. Them not rate me. Remember, you know, me have somebody who work with me, will read every comment, will love read, you know. Read hard, you know, know how to strike and know how to do everything, you know. So here we go on now. Me are watching, you know. Someone are going to lose on the page, you know. Watch where I go on. Watch this now. See somebody will comment it there. Me make sure. Come on, nobody feel like I get up on a rant because me a idiot or something. See somebody put it there. Make I put it back. Make I put it back. Wait there. Wait there. I'll find back that comment there. Somebody says stop run down comment. Stop run down respect too fucking much. Really? If you don't want to respect, you have to do over my page. What a block. If you work and don't want to respect for your work, then that's your business what you're doing over here. What you doing over here, sir? What you doing over here, sir? Tell me the truth now. What you do over my page? What you do over my page? Or if people are run down respect, then if you do great things and do your work and you're not getting no respect, you demand it. Let me look for the comment. I just see the comment a while ago. Hold on there. 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 Make a look. 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 I want to find about that comment. Jesus, I'm crying. I want to comment, but I wait there. Hold on there. Wait there. The red clap, big up yourself. Jeez, I'm crying. With the comment, them man. Jeez, I'm crying. Yo, the page add to them. I can't find the comment. Jeez, I'm crying. Watch this now. So, somebody comment earlier say, me not seen a badge I buy though. Wait, I'm going on 3 minutes to buy some badge. And now at 5:38. I'm going to 2 minutes and add for buy some badge. Cause I love when me talk, but when I want buying a badge and them thing there. I'm going on 2-3 minutes to buy some badge. Let me see who I buy badge now. Come I talk on a portion of things where Matterhorn say. And give my opinion. It pin, you not see it, but me not see it. It pin, me not see it, you know. Hold on there. White say, come I not see it. Jabby buy badge. Carson's Unlimited buy badge. Carson's Unlimited, you know, say one badge about 30 cents, right? Big up all who buy 3 badge. Big up on yourself. One day you know say one badge about 20 cents. Jerome Reeves saying broke. So it go. Sometimes he broke to another money. I say it go. We are human being and every day we are going rich and up and Lady be unstoppable. Big up yourself. She buy 2 badge. Yeah. So it pin. Oh well, me can't see it. You see? Me can't see where me see one pin say. So I'm going to address a portion of thing. I'm going to talk my mind today now. Because you see me, at 2023 we are going now, you know. And you see me not play nobody. And me not play hypocrite to please nobody. You see? Yeah, so me I go clear the ear upon a whole heap of things today. See? Yeah. So here we are going. What do you want me to talk about? The part where Matterhorn say about me as a selector, or you want me to talk about the artist part where I'm talking about first? Big up Hot Topic Media TV. What do you want me to talk about first? I want to say Matterhorn say Foota is an MC, not a selector. So I'm going to differentiate up first things. Let me start the show how I really want to start the show. Because after I done the live here, enough people are going to hate me. And enough people are going to worse than like me. But you don't know me already. Me not give no fucks at all about who not like me. See? So we can reason now. First of all, I want everybody to remember that Tony Matterhorn is somebody that I idolize. Zin? Tony Matterhorn is somebody where I look up to in a selecting. Matterhorn was a friend when me are rising at the game. Zin, him give me strength, him come and party them a cassava piece. Very good. So Matterhorn is not somebody where me hate, right? Matterhorn is somebody where me consider to be the biggest selector. Let me say it again. Me consider Tony Matterhorn to be the biggest selector. Even now as we speak, right? Me know me say that million times I wanna never ever hear me discredit Tony Matterhorn for him greatness. Zin? Banga plus. When me go say no need to be said. You have to be the bigger person and don't say nothing. I have to say what I'm going to say now. Me, in my eyes, and in reality, because sometimes you can't reason for your emotion, or your ego, or what you think, or what you feel. Let me see what this say. When he was locked up, Tony Matterhorn never been there for you. Him don't rate you like how you rate him. Straight up. Okay. Okay. Alright, so make we go back to what me I say. Now, when you are reason about musics and logics, you cannot reason off of emotion, you cannot reason off of ego, you can't reason off of because you don't like the person or you like the person. You have to reason based on logistics and facts. You have to reason off of what is and not what might be, or what might be better in your vibe, or you're going to say what to make the next person feel better just to make them feel better. See? So, me personally, based on track record and dominance and power in the game and places dominated and longevity as a selector, Tony Matterhorn is the biggest selector. See? Even in a transition through eras, Matterhorn is the biggest selector. Repeat it again. Zin? Even in evolution from one stage to the next stage as a selector, Matterhorn is the biggest selector. Before Matterhorn, I would give it to Rory, because Rory was the man. You understand? Matterhorn exceed all of that. Me rising at the game and me come dominate. Now, Matterhorn say, in terms of selecting, Noah would I be a better selector than me, right? Big up Noah Power State. Matterhorn himself knows say that bogus. See? Cause watch this now. Somebody say even DJ Polish better than Foota. Alright. So we come Sabam now. I make we speak in terms of MC then. Matterhorn ya MC. You a selector? Watch this. Make we be realistic. When you say selector, if we are go give in terms of selecting like what he must speak of, Matterhorn, when him say I give Noah props over me as selector. Remember him can't come fully say Noah a bigger selector than Foota, because Matterhorn know him would be bogus. And everybody that look upon him like, what you do? So he might try create a narrative now. See? So if the category of Matterhorn put me in as MC, Matterhorn, you are also a MC. Because in the peak of Matterhorn career, when he tear down the place with the remix them and something, them and him build them, a Kareem Stainless build them, or Black Chinese. If we are going to speak of selector in terms of not being a MC. Zine? Delano from Renaissance would be the biggest selector. No matter, I'm an idol, him can't over here. Me not try to talk like me a talk for height, so when I tell him say Matterhorn over here for. Him for over here, come on him for here. Because him a prove enough things when him say in that something that is very bogus. Zine? Watch this now. Matterhorn is a MC also. So the props when me I give you as the biggest selector wouldn't be yours. It would have be Delano from Renaissance, where a mixing God make remix where turn 45 will lock down the whole world. I don't want to add him. Me I say my bit. Him same bit for an interview where me never defi say my bit. See? So watch this now. If we talk of selector then, Jazzy would have bigger than everybody then. Jazzy T. Cause Jazzy T mix and talk. Matterhorn and a selector like that. Yeah, MC too. Me a MC too. Me mix and talk for myself. But we don't do it on the level of a Delano. Or the level of a Jazzy T. We are mixing God or carrying stainless them. If we are going to talk about mixing and being a DJ, where you claim say you give Noah more props than me for, then Little Richie would that be one of the biggest selector? Bigger than you too. DJ Kentucky from Mobile, we are mixing God. Would that be bigger selector than the two away? Them selector they would have bigger than Sky Juice and everybody because we are MCs. So I don't understand what y'all say. But bass, but no one in a mixer, no Polish mix for Noah most of the time. 90% of the time is DJ Polish mix for Noah. So the category where y'all claim say y'all put Noah over me is also bogus. It's also bogus because if you're going to put me over the category there, you Matterhorn over the category there too. Because you is not a selector in terms of mixing and all of that. But you just want 2 foot and a bus over this of you give Noah a props in some part where you have to be realistic, dog. Matterhorn, you know, mixer, you know, great selector in terms of playing. He's a MC also, Sky Juice, Firelinks, Foota Hype, Tony Matterhorn, we are MC. Panther, MC. Ricky Trooper, MC. But we learn to mix so we can operate by ourselves in a region where we alone go. So Noah mix and talk for himself sometime, just like me. So what are you saying? Yeah, make it sound like you say something intelligent, Matterhorn, like, oh, yeah, in terms of where you're speaking, because as a selector, Noah is bigger than Foota, but as a MC, Foota, you're bogus, bro. The biggest selector we have in our dancehall industry is Delano from Renaissance. So, say to the people and we are talking about mix, chuk, mix song, punky, none of we don't do that. You don't do that neither, Matterhorn. Your greatness is not mixing. My greatness is not mixing. So how you reach to do that? Fear shade me about selecting. Oh, that makes sense. Your son bogus, bro. No, Paul Dennis. When me talk about with music and a friendship, you know. Remember me and Matterhorn and Bridging. Me done telling you from long time, say me and Matterhorn demoted from friend to Bridging. Long time me telling you that. From long time. From before pandemic. Actually we are professional and we not deal that bitch something. But when you go up on a platform, go try size me up and style me with Noah. I'm just gonna be honest. Noah is a good selector. Noah is a good selector. See? But Noah is nowhere near even the power of my name. Much less my track record of what me do in a music. Not even close. But because him don't want to say it plain, him a play one politics reason about as a selector. What you mean by as a selector? None of we are not selector then. Cause Matterhorn, you are not a mixer. You no mix. A MC we do, we chat run the place. And the talk them we have. And we command, advice, how we deal with the thing. What we are talk about. So no try come style me shadily through the people them not really understand. Say a style me. Cause if you are talk about selecting, you are not number one. If a selecting, you are talk about mixing and playing tune, you not no one number one. No one have a mixer. A Polish mixer, no one when him have the event them. When we get some date, one away. If me have an event now, we may gonna need to dominate MC wise. Me carry Danger Kid, me carry brother from Lover's Choice, or me gonna carry Chukulu with me. Forget to mix cause them know me chemistry, I know. Oh, me song them play, I know. Oh, me intro them, I know from me I say certain thing when to drop the tune. Yeah, so me nah come here so come be no hypocrite dog. We not come and say your company interview come be a neat little hypocrite Matterhorn. Don't do that. Don't do that, you what? Cause the same thing what you say for me would apply to you. You're no selector. You're MC. You're MC, brother. So me not like that. No, coming from Matterhorn, it's a disrespect. Because he might throw me over one corner just to make Noah feel better about himself. Or for him feel better about himself. But Matterhorn, you're not selector either. You're MC too. Me a MC, you're MC Trooper, MC Pink Panther, MC Squingy. One of the greatest. Was a MC. Squingy no play a mix song. And Squingy is one of the greatest selectors we have ever seen. So how you gotta differentiate it and a fine comb it, but through him can play a song that we and be real, brother. Come out and be real and don't ramp with me. Me nah sit down and make no man. Style me thing, you know. A style me thing, Magic. Style me thing, cause you want to size up now with me. But now I would have size up with you to then. Cause if it's based on selecting by mixing and all of that, you are not the biggest selector either, Matterhorn. Adilana are the biggest selector in terms of mixing. Remember Adilana end up on BET and them something for mixing. So where you come size up me thing, but as a selector in terms of me, Foota is a MC. What do you mean? They know MC too, man? Yeah, MC too. Trooper MC, Panther MC. You understand what I say? Who are we are MC, Chris Diamond a MC, but him can do him thing by himself. See him with me, see him with you, see him with Noah, see him with everybody. Some man can't play at all without a selector. But you can't come here so come through a Foota over this and say that man is better than me because him can mix song better than me, so that make him a better selector than me. So what I say about you? How much selector can mix better than you, Matterhorn, by far? Then if I'm mixing then Danger Kid now, would that be one of the biggest selector then? Danger Kid not normal. So me not accept that. So that I first fuckery you talk. Can me see your page, me know you're over here. Very disrespectful. And sometime, as I say, from long time, I realize your style. Say, you always try to disrespect me, and you always try to lean on the side of people who go against Foota. From the cricketer boy, Marlon Samuels. I call him name today and give him back a little glory. So you soon see him jump up and start talking. You side with everybody. Intense. Everybody. Aishana. Everybody. Zin? You've been doing it, and you've been doing it for years. What me think about Matterhorn people? Me think as a youth arise, Matterhorn did admire and rate me as a young talent. But here where me feel it go wrong now. When Foota Hype start get dominant in the same arena them. Noah, Matterhorn say something and me not like what him say, so me address it. Big up Noah, I'm over here too. So when Foota Hype start get in the same region them with Matterhorn, you ever hear them say people want to see you doing good enough. but not better than them. Or sometimes people want to see I do good, but beneath them. Now, Matterhorn and my name are call up in the same place them all the time. We start going and see them region them. See? Remember, some place where me no want to go, you know. A Matterhorn me make go, you know. Tell them, say, yo, use magic, right? Even Hawaii and couple place. If me da run down certain place, if you say me first, go, would I go before magic? Because Hawaii is American state, you know. Now I not bring you down, me I put you right which part you're supposed to be. Me not bring you down my you. Me never say you're not a good selector or nothing like that. Bring down is a serious argument. Me not bring you down. Me I give you props where you deserve. What them I do now? What people are try to do, I try bring down my thing. And me not stand up and deal with that. Remember say, even when me go so bam, and them call me for Hawaii. Remember me could have go Hawaii now. Me could have go Hawaii and say, yo, me I run the risk. True, me have my court case. Remember Hawaii is still considered an American state. See? Me could pay attention. Listening to people, because sometimes something I go on and know, you know. And I hold it more me can talk it. Hawaii is an American state. It's 11 hours away. Because me have my case and bag of thing. Me I say to myself, say, me no want. Me don't want to go Puerto Rico. Me don't want to go Hawaii. Although they are considered America. Because me no want while me in the sky. Me hear say the law change before me land. And when me check it out, me get locked up. See? Remember me could have go, you know. Me could have run the risk, you know. But why must start live when me up live? Anyway, him can do what he want to do. See? Me tell the man say, Tony hype him name over Hawaii. Me tell him say, work with magic. Me say work with magic. Work with magic. Matterhorn I go live because I don't want me talk the things them I got talk. But I got talk them today. Because I don't like the neat eating and the neat bad mind. You understand what I say? I don't like it. And I hears me I hold it and now say nothing. Although I know say multiple of them people here bad mind and I eat pan Foota Hype. But me ride upon the wings of the ancestors and the wings of glory. I'm in a fight. No man. And me make him go Hawaii and me tell the promoter say work with him. Me could have gone myself at 2 times. Them want to book me and Kim and him all over there. And them want to book me by myself. Remember them book Twitch and Sprag and my people. Them reach out to first. See? So, what me I say that? No, I may have to involve you because him involve you. So, you know directly get shoot down, you know. But we have to adjust where I go on. Because I like what him say. You see me? Where you want, Kerry? Where you want? We are talk about the next something too, but this have to talk about coming in my feelings. I mean, I like when people are neat eat and I take it on a public level. You see me I say that? So, we have to just say, stop the eating. Remember say, all if me and a man not good enough, me still show respect based on him work. See? Remember, you know, certain places, I me and Matterhorn alone go. Yeah, him go live because he want change up the something. But what me I say is, enough of the place them even in America, and me and Maggie alone go. Him rather join the live? Well, make him join the live now. But me don't want it to be a cussing match. We want tax logistics. Tell him join the live. Tell him send a request. Tell him send a request. Tell him send a request. Me know nobody pan here so can say them ever hear one day. Me go on live and don't play Matterhorn. Ever in a history. Tell him to send a request for the live him the over here so him run gone. No, I don't want to add here now. A Matterhorn more add. And him say what him say. Tell him send a request. Me not see nothing for Matterhorn. Listen, me not add nobody for my life where it's going to be a chasing match. Really and truly, anything when Noah want to say, him can go up on the live, them go say. Noah have him right to speak him opinion, you see me? But me know, I add Noah know what it's going to be. Me don't want that for my live. You can go up on dancehall hot seat now and say what you say. Because remember, for me, Matterhorn are my idol in a selecting. So when him say some foul things, it going to hurt me. Me, a general in that thing. Me not have to argue with Noah with what Noah wants to say. Noah can say what him feel to say. Any way he want to say it. Any page, anyway. You understand what I say? Me not add Noah. More add Matterhorn. Who say me not add him? Me no see no wait name there for Matterhorn. Me no see no request for Matterhorn. Let me look if you know over here. Me no see nothing for Matterhorn. Me no see Matterhorn on the live. Matterhorn over here. Oh, if him the live, then will not tell me to add him for if him the live. Me just attack my mind, Bridget. See? So, let me tell you something what I go on people. I hold a neat 18 I go on here. So when him go live fight, him did want to join my life. Him never want to join my life, Kerry. Stop make them play there, man. Them never want, me not add Noah. People stop telling me add Noah, me not add Noah. Me and Noah on the phone right there for multiple hours and talk about we thing and be a thing. And Noah like gimmicks and joke and argue to win point all when it's senseless. So me know what going to end up happening for my life. It's going to be one dramatic thing where now find a solution. How if you say me now add him when him there on live? Correct, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, as me I say, correct. When Matterhorn say out of pocket, and I style him, I style me neatly. Style him, I style me neatly. I mean, I take no style. Long time I style me. Whole heap of half the media thing him style me with. Half the internet thing him style me. Whole heap. And when him do upon the interview there, him style me again. I me not deal with that. More Matterhorn know say him a style me and I take me for a fool. And I try tarnish me thing. And I try size up me thing with some little man. Cause now a little selector for me. And I straight me I said that now I'm not on my level, Bridget. Based on my works and my places me go and the thing them when me doing in music now is not on my level. See? People me and Matterhorn been follow out long time. But me and Matterhorn are bridging, not enemies. You have to understand. Me and Matterhorn follow out long time. Me and Matterhorn follow out long time. See? Me know say him a do be a fuckery long time. So me denounce him as my friend and have him as my brethren. Cause remember friend a serious thing. If you don't notice, me not follow Matterhorn on Instagram. No go look. Me not follow Matterhorn on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, nothing. See? So, enough things you don't know. See? So, me and Matterhorn are friend. Me and Matterhorn are brethren. See? And a long time me telling you that. So, I want to know. And I never hide it. I talk it publicly. So, if you remember. Matterhorn.
Let me clear up.
What happened?
You have said the same thing when me said. You don't understand. The question.
Magic.
Listen, let me talk. Me listen to you talk.
Alright, go on.
The question is, outer A and B, which one you think? Remember, it have nothing to do with me. It have to do with Foota and Noah, right? That's the question.
Mm-hmm.
The question doesn't have to do with. So me say, it depends on which level are you talking. We are talking about bigger selector, whatever. Me say, well, Noah is more a selector than Foota, and Foota is more a MC. Because me and Foota is more of a MC nature. But Noah originally learned to play sound from Sound Trooper, which he was a selector, but since him and Polish, him does more MC. But Foota is more MC.
But Maggi, you are going.
That's what I said.
You are going. Yeah, but you're not correct. Because you said that you're not correct.
Yeah, but me I say Foota is more.
I was never no mixer.
And Noah did a mix from the sound too.
Noah a MC from morning.
Yeah, but
even watch this
in
now.
the more they run a sound system, so in more
But me,
like a
I
selector.
tell you this now, sir. Noah has always been an MC. And me being an MC where can play a record to a mix. Noah no more than me in a mixing, MCing, public, social media.
It doesn't matter, but me just as
no, but you know, understand me as a brother.
Yeah.
Brother.
All right, that's from your point of view. From
me
your
have
point
a problem with, from your point of view, me have a problem with you say.
Yeah, when me say, Noah, I didn't say Noah was a bigger selector. I say he's
yes, sir, in terms of that. But me, I tell you, say no. In terms of no area, no one bigger than me. So watch this now. When me have a problem.
That's your opinion. You see?
No, it's a fact. It's a fact.
But it still go back to your opinion, because somebody.
No, it's a fact. It can be proven. And here it proven now.
Yeah.
Here it proven now. Over where you say you give him the props then. Say him would have be a bigger selector than Foota. In a year career, Delano would have been a bigger selector than you then.
Yeah, because Delano is more of a selector.
Okay, Jazzy T would have been a bigger selector than you then.
He's more of a selector, but me is more of a
watch this now, no? Watch this now. When me speak, more Matterhorn as a selector, me not dice and cut way at that because the mixer is never bigger than the MC.
Yeah, but listen. The argument was, the whole question was, which one bigger? I say, well, depending on what you're talking about, because I say one, one is
no,
more one.
People never ask you say, as a mixer, or as a man in pack record, or as a man say selector. And because you want to give somebody some props, you dissect it. When Noah and we are the same thing. Noah MC a Polish mix with Noah most I place them when bro.
Foota is more of a MC nature than a selector. Can you play a more MC nature than a selector?
Imagine the host asks you. Imagine the host asks you one question.
But me,
want
to say it.
But what you mean I say, if you say that then, or you want to say it, you're still out of pocket because no one is a bigger mixer than me. Do all mix and talk fast and do everything same way. Weird. How?
Foota, Noah would have been more a mixer because you just learn laptop.
Oh, but me a mix for record days and CD.
But
so what I say?
Look, based on my knowledge, you really just learn to master the
But no one a master laptop neither. And the host never asks you.
But
the host never asks.
Foota, be realistic. On a selector level, Noah is more a selector than you. You're more a MC than Noah.
Me still ask you how.
Because me see both of them, me I tell you, Noah is more a selector than you.
But Maggi, that means 90%. What is not? 90%. Right. That means entourage bigger than me and you then. I'm bigger than Noah too.
It doesn't have to be with bigger. Me does differentiate.
No, but that's what you said. And then entourage not talk. Well, no. Entourage not talk. Entourage don't talk. See, entourage is just a mixer. So how you differentiate the question from him ask about the MC?
Because you are two different type of selectors.
But brother, hold on.
But
hold on, make a reason now.
Yeah.
Me and Noah is no two different kind of selector. The only thing with Noah them run joke more than me. Me a serious man. Me more serious.
Yeah.
We have two different kind of content.
Yeah.
But Noah is an MC just like me where can go to a dance and do thing by himself.
But
me, hold on, Maggi, man. Because me not agree with not what you say about the mixing. You should have never directed the question to no mixing business. Because the man asks you, Noah or Foota, 2 hour MC, Noah and a mixer, Entourage a mixer. Because Entourage don't talk. See?
Well,
You have man when I talk.
Well, me differentiate and me say, well, me think Noah is a more a selector, Foota is more a MC. Well,
no, but this is what you put the notion to.
If me wrong,
No.
I know nothing wrong. Me say that's how me think.
All right, yes,
You want
yes.
me to like me not have a mind for thing. So who is you?
No, man, this not nothing to do with mine.
Offend you.
I am saying, me,
Yeah.
me, no boy, nobody never asked me yet. Based on your work, me not talk about me and you being bridging or me and you not bridging. Anytime them bring up selector, me never yet say, you know, say Matterhorn is a selector with smoke cigarette, and the next cigarette selector in a smoke, some would have say him better than matter. Selector. Matter where you do. Whether you mix or not, the whole of we mix and talk. The whole of we mix and talk.
I didn't say
So-
who's better than who. Me just differentiate.
The man asks your brother, and but what I know, why you just couldn't say,
You are more a-
why you just,
more a selector.
what I know, why you couldn't just, I am asking this, why every time there's a situation with Foota, anybody, whether it be artist, whether it be singer, whether it be selector, whether it be relationship, whether it be anything, Tony Matterhorn is always the one we go the extra mile to discredit Foota, and then when me argue,
All
they
right,
say,
stop right there, sir.
hold on, let me finish now.
Stop right there.
Then you can talk. Hold on, let me
Stop
finish,
right
then you
there.
can talk.
Stop.
Me just want to say something before. You always say when me confront you now, either the person are your friend, or the person give you money to promote something, or so. Why? Why me not do that to you?
All right, give me one question now. How is it me discredit if me make a differentiation?
You know why?
That me I understand. What did
Hear why?
if me all right, somebody asks me this or this, and me make a differentiation. Why is it discredited if I make a differentiation? Me never know say making a differentiation is discredited.
Yes, it is. You know why? Because it depends on what you are differentiating. You see, if no, well, on, man.
Well,
Here how you go wrong.
I then
But
ask
you
me
go.
a question.
Yeah, but me I go tell you. Hold on, but me I go tell you how you go wrong, my brother.
And please people all the time.
No, hear me I tell you. Hear me I tell you how you
When you're
go
wrong.
brother.
All right. Them
Brother.
ask me about Noah and Foota, right? And them say, which one you think is a bigger selector? And me say, well, based on what are you talking? Well, which department? And me say, because to me, you see, me say to me, Noah more fit a selector persona and Foota more a MC. So if it want to be Foota is a better MC, Noah would have be a better selector. Me just do a different.
But for Maggie, you know, understand. You know, it come like
about that.
no,
When
me show it. What is not? What is not, brother?
Discredit. And like me say, Foota no good none at all. Hold on.
No, but watch it now.
Well,
But watch this now.
I know one person intelligent. All right. Did I say, no, sir, Foota no good none at all. No better. Then I would be discrediting Foota. But I didn't. I said, well, based on my knowledge of both parties, I think that person is more versed in an MC persona, and that person is more versed in a selector persona. So how the fuck me discredit which anyone out I thrown? Oh,
All right, you want hear?
Don't come with personal feelings.
Do you want to hear? Do you want to hear? Do you want? Magic, do you want to hear or you discredit it?
Yeah,
Okay, there's several ways. There's listen up. Let me speak now, brother. Me listen here now. There's a million ways to kill a dog. It's not one way to hang somebody.
Yeah, but
okay?
I discredit.
Listen up, brother. I am going to tell you, you know what I'm going to tell you?
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to tell you?
Yeah, say.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, there's a million ways to hang a dog. You never have to hang dog with the rope. You can use shoeless, you can use trailing, anything. The people them ask you, say, our selector, Foota or Noah? Who are bigger selector? No, Noah has not achieved any accolades about mixing. In dancehall, if people really look into it, Noah is no great mixer than anybody else anywhere in the world.
But selector doesn't do with mixing alone, Foota.
But what I know, you know, listen to me, sir. Give me a
check your speaker.
Brother, I'm going to show you how you're wrong. If you send the question this, so just to give Noah a props over Foota. It never warrant for you to go there because Noah is no mixer in the mixing realm of the great mixers.
Yeah, but you still only can't, you see? All right, now, me catch you down a part where I'm going to show you something. You are only elaborating on mixing as a selector like Dylan and Jazzy. Selector meaning you have to know music and all of that. It's not only about mixing,
So all right, see where you're gone again now. So no one know music more than me then. That's what you're saying. No one know music more than me then.
Listen, if you want to be realistic, Noah, not saying him know music more than you, but he was around a system where music, like a music library, more than even you.
No, that is impossible. Me used to tour with Leroy Sibbles, and I used to play Leroy Sibbles' song. Me I play from ska to rocksteady to mental to reggae to everything.
I know that.
You see how easy you lead yourself down a path now because now you go where you have proof of that. What proof you have of that?
Also,
where you say
he was around an elite sound system, and you
which elite? Voila, which one I saw?
Sound Trooper. And Sound Trooper. Trooper is an elite, so him I go learn the difference of music. You see it? But you differentiate and you only have classified
so much. Let me ask you something.
As a mixer.
Let me ask you something.
So you have it even twisted too, because you think a selector is only a man who can mix like Delano. You have to know music.
No, you see, I never said that. A
selector is someone.
I said no, Maggie, stop no, because you have to lie for me now.
Only a person.
Yeah, I never said that, bro.
I elaborate from night, you say.
Hold on, man. I never said that. You know why I speak on the selecting part? Because you navigated the question and said, you say, not me.
Yeah.
You differentiate and say, as a MC, Foota would get the prop, but over the mixing part, you'd have get Noah. And me,
say selecting part.
Okay, so magic. You separate it. No, you separate. The man asks about selector, you know, and you separate it and say me an MC.
Alright.
So hold on. Let me ask you now.
Selector is not about mixing alone. Selector is more about tune and everything.
So so now that me a talk about now, if people ask you that, hold on. If people ask you that, and selecting is about everything in one, why would you navigate to separate it then? You don't need to separate it.
Because in my book, him is more a wild round selector than Foota.
I mean, I ask you,
my opinion.
Me still ask you,
MC, you see it? So I'm not wrong. You see it? You see it?
Me still ask you, you know. But Matterhorn, I'm still asking you how. What are your basis of saying that?
Then that because me know when Foota come up the line. And me know when Noah come up the line. And me I tell you say him is more of a selector nature than Foota. And Foota is more
but me still ask you
You see? Me never wrong.
But Maggie, you're wrong.
Here what you are do, Foota. Here what you are do. And this is where you do all the while. I am entitled to my opinion, whether it's right or not. And me
entitled. No, but me entitled to say fuck creator.
You notice all now, me not say nothing bad about Foota because.
But Maggie, you don't understand. Me entitled to say Maggie. Me entitled to say fuck creator.
Yes. Then that me I try to tell you, cause me never say.
Exactly. No, so watch what me I say now. Me I say, when people ask you the question, what I'm saying is, when people ask you the question, Zin?
Yeah.
People ask you a question, you know. Where you go with the argument is irrelevant because Noah is not a mixer and do the same thing when me do.
Yeah,
mix and talk. And you can't say, wait no man, brother, make me talk now, man. Make me talk now, please.
You keep saying a selector is a mixer. It's not only a mixer. It's
No,
all.
Margie is what you said. You're not talking about when me as a selector is, you know. Because if I'm me alone, you would differentiate. You just answer what people say.
Yeah.
But you differentiated. And you said Foota is more of an MC than a selector. I mean, I agree with that. Because me and Noah do the same things.
Yeah, but in a price.
But what on, brother? There's no party.
Like a better MC.
But brother, watch this now. Watch this now. There's no party.
Listen this. And this is the truth, whether you like it or not. In a MC world, you are greater than Noah. In a selecting world, because me see Noah them select. Foota, you more of a bad man nature. That's down your forte. You will play some girl tune and rare. Noah is a more all-purpose selector. You see? So in my eyes.
So wait. Come here, try, Magic.
And you have to accept it.
Well, no, me can't accept that. Calm down now.
Without Polish. Polish just come out one day with Noah. Zin? Alright, without Polish. Noah plays a more all-round selection than Foota.